Hi, this is Linda, and I'm practicing on making videos. And today I got 2 orders in and thought I'd share them with you, especially for folks who don't order from overseas. If you order from overseas, you're always taking a risk, and just to be aware of that. I got some crystals, which I'll show you in a second, from China through AliExpress. Really good deal. And packaged incredibly well. I'll show you that too. And these are Charlite. It's a Russian, boy, backwards on this presentation, a purple Russian gemstone, and just exquisite. And I think I paid like 15 bucks or something, including shipping. Again, you don't know what you're getting, but I'm very happy. This order came from India, and I got that through eBay. And I think it was free shipping. Both of these orders took weeks, if not months. But that's what happens when you want a deal sometimes, and you take a risk. So I don't know if you can see how beautiful that is, but this is a really pretty purple. I've certainly seen quality that's better, but for my purposes, I think they're really lovely. And they're in all different shapes and sizes. Some of them are tiny, tiny, tiny. I don't know, what is that, about 10, 11 millimeters long. Make a cute little ring. Or you could set them in clusters, of some sort. I won't play with that right now, but they're just lovely. And I have quite a few of them, as you can see, and some of them are upside down. But they're just, I'm very, very happy, because these are hard to come by. Now, we'll take them away. Oh, and I should tell you before I do that, how it's packaged. They were on this little plastic bag. Inside this little case, I like these little cases. Sometimes they come in these little cases, which of course you can repurpose, but it helps keep the gemstones safe, And then this was wrapped in packing tape, which took me forever. That's why it's pre-opened. And then in the bag, so quite a bit. So then, get these out of your way. Oh, they're so pretty. I should tell you that I'm filming from my tablet, and my tablet is sitting on top of my Brita, Brita water filter, and this is a bar rag. It's you get them at Walmart, so class operation here. So this package came from China, and it's bubble wrap inside, and I got 3 trays of gemstones that I'll show you, and each one was packaged in this plastic. But then they're all in trays. Oh, these are gorgeous. These were like $5, $6 a tray, and these were from AliExpress. And I don't know if you can see the color, but they are a sapphire. And they have kind of a purplish violet, I guess, hue to them, but they're really very sapphire. And they're about 20 millimeters, and they will make a really happy little pendant. Especially for spring and summer coming up. I attend or participate in the flower festival, which is in spring. So there's what I would call sapphire. This isn't really peridot, but it's close. This is a really summer green. Let's call it summer green. And you can see that there's a little bit of blue in there. These are very much similar in design to the Swarovski crystals, and I forget what they're called. They're these flat backs. So I'm excited about the gorgeous colors. And then my third tray, get these out of your way. These are kind of a reddish, well, not really reddish, but they're kind of a purple. And there's my hand. They have a purple-red hue, mostly purple, but they're gorgeous too. And so, again, $5, $6, and I got 20 of them. So hopefully they'll hold up. I think they will. They look like they're decent quality. But I'm not making very real expensive pendants with these. These will be more of, I have an impulse buy pendant that I make, and I think these will be lovely in them. But who knows? You never know as soon as you start creating. So thank you for bearing with me in my attempt to videotape and share some things with you. I can't wait to get started on all of these. They're just lovely, especially the, I think it's pronounced Charlotte. It's a purple Russian gemstone that I got from India. So have a wonderful day. I appreciate your patience with me. And I am on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll link those down below if you want to see pictures of what I do. Facebook, it's Linda Sienisch Jewelry Artisan, but I'll put the links down below. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful, awesome day. I'm going to go play. Talk to you later. Bye.